That smile though.
Welcome to part 2 of getting ready with me. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm about to be in my face.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
Welcome, Dae.T squad. What am I doing? I don't even know yet. I actually did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so I'm back. I am not an MUA. I barely know how to do makeup. I just, do a little something so to enhance my beauty. Now I did my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my foundation primer. Most likely I'm not gonna be showing y'all all the products because, as I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm just... This is because I have oily skin, a real oily skin, and it's annoying. So... Also, I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so I'll do whatever I could do. Period. I'm gonna get it done. Okay? So now, what am I doing next? I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So, what kind of eyeshadow I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do regular. They say you gotta conceal it, right? To make the color pop. So I'm about to... If I look scary, I apologize. I'm just trying to try something out for y'all. This is not something I do. Remember, this is not something I do. Wow. Okay, blend that. All I know is blend, 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 right? That's it. Okay. I'm gonna try to build the color. I look crazy. Y'all see that? All right, what am I gonna do next? I'm gonna try to get some, I'm gonna use the same brush, I guess. I'm gonna wipe it out. Natural brown. I just... Guys, if my lighting is bad, I apologize. Keep in mind, I do not know how to do eyeshadow, okay? So let me rock. I'm not liking how this white is coming out. I look crazy. I'm liking how this yellow looks, so I'm gonna try to add a different color. Let me show it to y'all. This is it. It's from NYX. Got it from Ulta. I'm gonna just blend. I'm gonna go in with my foundation now. I'm gonna use my Black Opal foundation stick. So now I'm going to bake. I'm using my benign powder. Yes, it's baking. Now I'm gonna get the same foundation brush and see, I still even put on my lashes yet, but you just gotta wait. Wait. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna get to my lashes. I'm gonna do simple lashes today.
Y'all see how that coat just melted to my scalp though? And I didn't even do anything to it but a little concealer and mascara. Get to it. Get to it. Make sure y'all tune into part 1 of this video, okay? Okay.
My favorite thing to do. gonna do like a nudish lip. Now I'm gonna show y'all the finished look. I don't know, this light not doing me justice. Ooh. Which y'all like better? Light or no light? Thank you for tuning in.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.